In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable camera access on Snapchat app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and you might open up Snapchat app and get that pop-up here. It says, oops, Snapchat is a camera app, and to continue we need to allow camera settings, camera access in settings. So guys, in this case, all you have to do is just tap right here at this button, and that will head over you to the Snapchat settings, and that's where we need to find this camera option. As you can see, now it is turned off, and all we have to do to grant Snapchat app access to our camera is just activate it. And after that, if we go back to the Snapchat app, I'm just gonna reopen it to demonstrate you how it works now. As you can see, now it works without any problems, and now I can take a snap. However, guys, it might be a situation where if we go to the, I'm gonna go back right here now, it might be a situation when you cannot activate this camera option here because this button is grayed out or something like that, and in this case you need to go back to settings, and on the main settings page just scroll down a bit, then go to screen time. As you can see, screen time is currently enabled on my iPhone. After that, we need to go to the content and privacy restrictions, and here most likely there are some restrictions for your camera, and I recommend you to just turn off content and privacy restrictions here by tapping right there. After that, go back to the Snapchat settings and then try to activate it again. Basically, guys, that's how it can be easily done, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.